In this video, we help you fix the iPad could not be restored error on your iPad. Let's begin. Error 4013 often pops up whenever you try to restore an iPad via a desktop. It mostly refers to hardware faults with your device. However, you shouldn't rule out a corrupt cable, software, a buggy USB port, or other factors here. Next, before you reconnect your iPad, closely inspect the cable as well. If it has major wear and tear, use another cable. Also, clean the USB port carefully and try again. Lastly, antivirus solutions on Windows devices may sometimes get aggressive and cause issues with the connected devices. You should disable your preferred antivirus software and try reconnecting the iPad again to the computer. For more tech tips and tricks like these, subscribe to Guiding Tech and discover one of these videos, handpicked just for you.